What's up, everybody? We're back in Houston, Texas. Today we are at BB's. This is world-renowned crawfish. It's a little bit of Texas and Louisiana combo together. It's going to be a great experience. Fun fact, this is actually Jay-Z and Beyonce's favorite place as well. I have scoured all over the internet. I have checked out tons of reviews. This is by far the most rated, most popular place in Houston. So let's go check it out and see what they're cooking. All right, we made it inside. Crazy menu.
So let me tell you a little bit about BB's. We're a Texas restaurant. That means we're a Cajun restaurant with a Texas flair. It's really good and really delicious, and I can't wait for y'all to give it a try. If y'all have any questions about the menu, just let me know. I'll be more than happy to answer for anything you need. Okay?
All right, thank you.
So what can I get for y'all today?
How much is the crawfish right now?
It's $10.99 a pound with a 2-pound minimum.
Okay, 4 pounds of the crawfish. And then potatoes and corn, please.
I always like the crawfish Texas Orleans way, the Louisiana way. The Texas Orleans way is the original way here at BB's. It's red, it's messy, it's good, it's delicious, it's spicy.
I'm going that. Okay. Let's do it that way.
How many pieces of corn?
2 pieces.
Okay, and how many potatoes for you?
2 would be great.
Okay. And what kind of sauces for you? We have our delicious
whatever you recommend.
Okay.
All right.
I'm telling you, it's good. Pineapple sausage is okay?
Sauces great.
Okay. You have sauces, is that correct?
Yes, I am. And I also want a cup of the shrimp gumbo.
Okay, did you want to add crab meat to the shrimp gumbo?
No, but I do want to add potato salad.
Okay.
Do you put that in the bowl or on the side?
I put it on the side. Yeah. And then I'm going to have your gumbos come out to you first as well.
Awesome. All right, y'all. First up, we have the gumbo. Amazing. Tasting great. All right, so I just wanted to give you a quick update with how everything's going. Food is phenomenal. I love the gumbo. So far, so great. Perfect amount of spice. It's like really, it's almost like tangy. Like, I don't know how to explain it. It's like it almost has like a sweet flavor in it too. And then it pairs so well with the sausage, a little bit of rice. Absolutely love it. All right, Mom, what's your verdict on your, what'd you get?
I got boudin flautas with red beans and rice, and I'd give it a 7-8 out of 10.
All right.
Yeah,
What do you think
good.
about the sauce?
I love it. I don't know what it is, but I love it.
Woo, let's go.
Alrighty.
Thank you. Y'all ready? What's up, everybody? So besides reviewing this epic food today, I'm actually going to teach you at home how to properly eat crawfish. So first, grab your crawfish, rip the head out from the tail, slurp the head, if you can hang, you know. And then you're going to take the first 2 prongs off of the back of the tail, right? So at the front, you take the first 2 prongs off, and then you're going to pinch the back of the tail, and then just pull it. Boom, it came right out. And if you're lucky, you'll pull the vein like I did. I don't like to eat the vein, some people do. Totally preference. Dip in some butter. That's how you eat crawfish. Now we gotta try the corn. See what the corn is. Corn's cooked great. Not overdone. You know, it's not undercooked or anything. It's done right. It's perfect. Ooh, I can see why Jay-Z and Beyonce mess with this place. It's really good. That one didn't go too well.
How you feeling about it?
Good, everything's great. Having a blast.
No problem. Let me know if you need anything, okay?
Okay, thank you. Yeah, y'all, the service is great here. The staff's amazing. The food's great. Would definitely recommend this spot. Ooh, I had another perfect pull. You see that? I got the vein. Gnarly in there. Dang, I just had another vein just come right out. It's good crawfish. So these were alive like a few minutes ago, 5 minutes ago. Damn, this is good crawfish. Is that a big sausage? A big sausage. I know what y'all are thinking. That's messed up. That's a really good sausage. That's probably my favorite sausage I've ever had in a crawfish dish, by far. Wow. That's so good. Whew. All right, everybody. I'm about more than halfway through the meal. We're gonna finish all of it. That good. You know, you just like can't walk away from it. So here we go. Ooh, the heavy duty napkins. I like these more. Should I do another tutorial? All right, just in case y'all missed it. So you got your crawfish here. Just dropped it. Got your big crawfish here, right? So you got the tail. You just want to twist, pull the head off, right? And then you take the first two, so towards the front where the head was, you take the first two off, which exposes this, right? And then just pinch the back and pull. And there you go. And this is a very messy dish, so if you don't like messy hands and all that kind of stuff, you don't want to get this. The highlight is the sausage. There's a pineapple sausage. Absolutely incredible. I have never had a sausage actually so good. I don't think ever, so. What's up, everybody? All right, we just had a great time here at BB's. It's time for the food scale. I gotta go 9 out of 10. The sausage was incredible. It's probably one of the best sausages I've ever had. The crawfish was fresh. Everything was just really good. The service was amazing. Hats off to BB's here in Houston, Texas. And if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. We're gonna be doing a giveaway next week, so all you gotta do, like this video, comment below, make sure you're subscribed, and you can win some money. All right, y'all, thank you so much for joining us again. We will see you next week. Peace.